Hello again. I have a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas that I have pre-primed that is not quite dry yet, and a swipe card, and a bottle of Prizm Pour Chantilly lace, and some ideas. I'm not sure how they're going to work out. But I'm going to give a few things a try. Hoping my paint doesn't get too gloppy. It's been a while since I did geometric. And I think I just want to play for a bit. And I'm going to start with colors I love. I'm going to grab a dish to put some cell activator into. Starting with the white. I don't know I'm starting with the white. I should probably start with something else. I'll put some purple down too. And some black. They all have Aussie Floetrol. The white is with Amsterdam white. And so is the black with the Amsterdam black. The purple is dioxazine purple. I have some other colors, including a Pebeo Precious Iridescent Gold. It's a cell activator. We'll see which one I want to use. Right now I want to use some Primary Elements Ginger flower. And the card that I pulled out. What am I going to do now? I am going to put some of that gold on there. On the flattest side I can find. I have a break on my turntable, but it's not very adept. So that is to encourage me. I have some cerulean blue. I have no rhyme or reason right at the moment. I am going to leave the color on the card. I do have some of that same ginger flower as a cell activator, which is not impossible that I might want to use that. I have some dark waters, or water, yeah, because I used it yesterday. This is fly by the seat of my pants, which is working for me right at the moment pretty well, I gotta say. I'm going to use some white. I might use some black too. I want to use some gold too, but maybe in another swipe. I don't mind the white. I am going to use some actual Mayan gold. Prizm Pour. This time I'm going to put cell activator and cerulean blue on there, I think. Let's start with the white. Where did I move it? Put it back where it belongs. Always harder to find things where they belong. You know what? I have some iridescent Pebeo blue-green, and I'm going to use it with that white. I'm being called to more ginger flower. I'm going to do it. Ginger flower, the primary element. I kind of want to leave a lot of negative space. Here's some more cerulean blue. I don't mind if there are lines. I'm kind of playing this by ear because I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I do like the spontaneous aspect of what's going on. I'm going to grab some of the dioxazine purple. I have some of that same Pebeo iridescent blue-green in a mixture that's not cell activator. I wouldn't mind using up. And for that, I think I'm going to grab the cell activator version of the ginger flower. Kind of want some black. Maybe purple would be better. A little bit of purple. Just a couple drops. I want to go up higher. Higher than the mark. And leave, do I? Leave the gap. Press the card down. Make a mark. Make more marks. Make lots more marks. I think I'm not done. I have some ginger peach and I think I'm going to grab it, and it's the primary element. There it is. Love, love, love that. The Mayan gold is just so awesome. Let's clean a little tip out and open it up completely. What am I going to combine with that? I'm going to put a little bit of Cosmos in there just because. And I'm really, really enamored very much of that Mayan gold. So I think I'm going to indulge myself. And it's time for black, I think. I'm just going to use all the colors together. And again. I meant to use ginger flower there, but I guess I'm going to do that anyway. Not. Let's use the cell activator. And some of the Pebeo iridescent blue-green cell activator. I like using my residuals in odd ways. Kind of makes me want to grab some more Chantilly lace, but I'm so not done yet, so I just need to view it from a different angle. I definitely think I need some more Chantilly lace down here. I wasn't sure, but I am now. There are no rules, so I don't have to take anything away. I can leave it as it is and enjoy its shimmering loveliness. I could even stop now. I think I am going to indulge in a little bit of Orange Crush though. Prizm Pour. And ginger flower again. Hoping I have the right side. No, I didn't. And grab some more of that cell activator because I can. Not sure where to go. Not minding that. I do like to drag a card. And I love to mark make. And I think I'm almost done too. So I have over 2,600, maybe even 2,700 videos, and you can find them by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I'm liking the balance of the colors. I think I'm going to steal a little bit of paint from right here. Put it right there. Maybe motivate some of that across. Not always super thrilled with the blobs on the end of the lines. I use my squeeze bottles to deposit, but I'm really happy with this. And we'll see how it turns out because of the black background. I don't think I disturbed much of that. I am loving the cells, 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 cells. I think they're gorgeous. And this is my last painting of the day. So I'm going to make that go right to the edge. And put my break back in so I can go down and shimmer for you. Put one more little dot. Make sure everything's where I want it to be. You could take a skewer and you could go in there and you could definitely mess around. But I like what I have an awful lot. And I don't think there's a lot I could do to hurt it. So remember, there's a 20% off coupon code for Colour Arte products underneath the video. And I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, so you help me out when you shop there. I'm not sure what the shimmer factor is going to be in this, but we're going to find out in a second. Let me turn out my other light. Nice big canvas. Oh no! Okay, well that went better than I thought. I dumped over my torch. Oh, that's stunning. I really wanted some black negative space. Yeah, that looks nice from up here too. I do sell my artwork and I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And that is almost in frame. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. I'm pretty happy with that. I've been waiting to feel like doing geometrics again. And now I do. About time. A little finger painting never hurt anybody either. So what can I tell you guys? Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you help my standing on YouTube, so I might be able to remain here. When you shop my Amazon link, you help me out. And I could use some help because my views are down. And I think I deserve more, but that doesn't matter anymore. You guys inspire the heck out of me. My Amazon link is a great place to find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volume 1 and Volume 2. On the link tree underneath, show more. Generally, wow, that's so awesome. Ha! On the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. It's on the same, excuse me. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has the same links as the link tree, more or less. And if you're shopping for merchandise that bears my artwork and you can't find it, please just ask me because I can add it more times than not. I just love this. This is so overdue, and those Colour Arte colors are so shimmery and so gorgeous right now. I'm just mind blown. So thank you guys for joining me. Whatever I forgot, I'll tell you some other time. My community board. My community board has you can find tomorrow's video there. Sometimes I'm just like, woo, shiny. Anyway, questions are fine. Please ask me if you want to. Know that the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel connects to a donation place. And that is what helps keep me painting on YouTube and bringing you free tutorials. So thank you guys for anything and everything. And there's also a thanks application underneath the video. So please help if you can. And I love you one way or the other. Leave me a comment. And whatever I forgot, you'll see on another video. Spring clothing under the video also has my gear on it, as well as Le Gallerist and Society 6. All right, I love you guys. My camera battery's looking like it's about to die. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you come again. If you need me, I'm here for you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.